What's going on, family? So I'm at the project right now, laying out the frame that I'm putting in this container. And as you see this, I'm doing this at a person's property, so pretty much just come in here and lay it down. Don't have a lay down table, but I got a concrete slab, which is pretty much the same. So this is what I'm doing. Remember I talked about the big spool of wire? That's the big spool. So that spool runs around 75 bucks. So for the 035 is the one I like to use, a little thicker wire. But that's a damn good wire. So let's see that. And like I say, this is a machine I use that has helped me tremendously as far as get established and pay bills and try to figure out the area. Like I say, when you freelancing, the first thing you have to do is just figure out your market and find your niche. And that's what I'm doing in the city of Phoenix. Hold on.